We're right in the middle of almond bloom. That's not snow on the ground you see. Those are petals that are falling off the trees. Today is supposed to be about 85 degrees. That's quite warm for the middle of March. Typically middle of March we're about 70 degrees, so we're quite a bit above normal, and that's accelerating the almond bloom. That's not necessarily a bad thing. The bees have been very active in pollinizing. The weather has cooperated this year with the bloom. Almonds need warm, dry, sunny weather for the bees to work and to pollinate the trees. Almond trees aren't self-fertile. They need pollination from other almond trees, other almond varieties. The same variety can't pollinate itself. So as you can see, there's different size and shapes of trees here, and you can see there's some trees with still a fair amount of petals left on them. Others are greener and have leafed out. And these are planted one row of one variety, one row of another variety, and the whole row is the same variety. And we do this here in California to facilitate pollination and maximize the pollination and yields. On this tree, the pollination has been complete, and we're starting to see the little almond nuts start to form. For the next 30 days, they are very susceptible and tender to frost. So between now and the middle of April, we have to be on our toes for frost protection. And here in California, for almonds, we have two main frost protection systems. One is the irrigation system. You can see it right there on the ground. That's a micro sprinkler there. We run water, and water releases heat, and that heat is captured within these canopies, and that adds a degree or two of protection to the frost. The other thing we use is helicopters. Helicopters will fly over the fields and push down the air. The air higher up, 30-40 feet up, is warmer than the air on the ground. So the helicopter blades will push air down, mix that air, and warm the field up that way. Here I have some flowers on my tailgate. These are our flowers off of the almond trees, and this is what they look like when they're in full bloom, and this is where the bees are attracted to pollinate the flower to create the almond. Right here next to it, if you look real close, those are pollinated almonds. That's what's inside the flowers. Earlier pollinated varieties, you can see how much they've grown versus the other pictures. You can see them down inside what's left of the flower. And here's some more that have been peeled back and exposed. Trees look good this year. We have a fairly nice set out there, and I think our nut buggies will be getting some work this year.